see. Can you see?
Yeah, move over a tiny bit. Yeah. You might want to put the windows in, the wind mirrors.
Right, what about the other? How tight is it? Oh, something's here. Hang on. Oh, Mills, are you sure? Is your side?
Our side's okay.
Are you sure? Okay. I hope it's not narrower at the other end. I just wanted to check it didn't go really deep as well.
Yeah.
Right, I'm just going to put my window up because there's brambles. I've been through some scary fords before where they've gone really deep halfway through. Right, this is wider, definitely. There we go. Right. It's always good to get out and walk it and just have a look.
Yeah.
Just in case there's a fallen tree or a car parked